Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogboku, has charged the Commission's directors to promote efficiency in service delivery. Dr. Ogboku gave the charge recently at the end of a 2-week course on leadership and performance management for directors of the NDDC, facilitated by the Administrative Staff College of Nigeria.
Following a directive by the federal government on implementation of the new public service rule, providing that all officials of ministries, departments and agencies who had spent up to 8 years as directors should proceed on retirement, the NDDC in August this year asked 13 directors in the commission to immediately hand over to the most senior officers in their various directorates. This paved way for the emergence of new directors as well as deputy and assistant directors in the commission. Recently, the directing staff of the NDDC were enrolled in a 2-week course at the Administrative Staff College of Nigeria (ASCON) in Badagry, Lagos State, as part of the Commission's efforts to promote a motivated workforce and improved capacity in service delivery. Throughout the 2-week-long course, the newly promoted NDDC directors were trained in strategic management and leadership skills. Speaking at the end of the course, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogboku, charged the directors to promote efficiency in service delivery.
The whole idea of sending you here for this training is to ensure that you bring back your experience back to the commission, improve on our administration, and ensure that things are done differently and really making the difference as we have promised.
The NDDC boss was optimistic that with their training, the new crop of directors would align with the Commission's new corporate governance policy.
I'm going to be seeing directors that were aspiring to get to their peak as professionals. Not directors that want to be nepotic, not directors that want to be tribalistic, because tribalism is not known in administration. Administration is all about excellence.
For her part, Director General of ASCON, Cecilia Gaya, lauded the NDDC for investing in the capacity building of its staff, while commending the course participants for conducting themselves with a high sense of responsibility throughout the duration of the course.
With the sterling qualities demonstrated by all of you wonderful participants, the future of the NDDC in particular and that of our great country is assured.
Responding on behalf of the course participants, Barrister Stephen Anele, Deputy Director in the Human Resources Directorate of NDDC, thanked the Dr. Ogboku-led management for investing in their capacity building.
Everybody here has many different degrees, and we testify that the content of the lesson is full of practical lessons and experiences. ND, we appreciate you, and we say you are the best.
The highly motivated and refreshed course participants urged the NDDC management to sustain the tempo of training and retraining staff in the best interest of the Commission and for the overall good of the Niger Delta region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, make